Hello guys, if you want to control only one specific player in Madden 27, you can use the player lock feature and it's really easy to set up. First, move your selection over the player you wanna control. For example, if you wanna lock onto the quarterback, highlight the quarterback and then quickly double click the left stick or L3 button. Once you do that, you'll see the player lock indicator appear underneath the player, which means you are now locked onto them. So when the play starts, you'll only control that quarterback and you won't be able to switch over to the other players on your team. You can also use player lock on other positions. For example, if you wanna control a wide receiver, move over to that receiver by pressing B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation and then quickly double click the left stick again. Now you are locked onto that player and you'll be able to control their movement throughout the play. And the same feature also works on defense, so you can select the defensive player you want and use the same left stick double click to lock onto them. So if you want to play as just one specific player in Madden NFL 27, simply highlight that player, double click the left stick quickly and you will be logged in. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.